Harry's Blockbuster court case takes a troubling turn. Harry's Blockbuster court case against the British media is already veering off course, even before he has had a chance to speak. Prior to this high-stakes legal battle, let's take a moment to reflect on the fact that at least it doesn't involve scandalous card games or extramarital affairs, unlike a previous infamous royal courtroom incident in 1891. In that earlier case, Albert, Prince of Wales, later known as Edward VII, faced scrutiny over an illicit card game, but it wasn't his first courtroom appearance. Bertie, as he was commonly called, had already given sensational testimony during his lover's divorce proceedings. Now, fast forward to the present, where Harry is slated to take the witness stand this week. Although his case doesn't involve gambling or infidelity, it has already encountered setbacks. But how off the rails has it gone? Did Harry forget his packed lunch from his wife, Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex, on the plane? Was he caught playing Candy Crush in court, much to the dismay of his prominent barrister, David Sherburne? Well, no. The truth is, Harry simply didn't show up. During one of his many interviews earlier this year promoting his tell-all book, Spare, Harry proclaimed that reforming the British press was his life's work. Currently embroiled in legal battles against 3 UK publishers, including Associated Newspapers Limited, owner of the Daily Mail, News Group newspapers, owner of The Sun and the defunct News of the World, and Mirror Group newspapers, Harry's courtroom journey has just begun. Yet, as the Mirror Group newspapers' lawyers signaled their intention to expedite their opening arguments, Harry's legal team reluctantly admitted that their client would not be ready in time, much to the judge's annoyance. Sherburne explained that Harry had only departed from California on Sunday night, prioritizing being present for his daughter Princess Lilibet's second birthday. Sherburne argued that Harry, as the son of the king, is in a different category compared to the other claimants due to his travel and security arrangements. However, regardless of the reason, Justice Fancourt reportedly reprimanded Harry over his absence, setting a disappointing tone given that the judge is the very person who will ultimately decide his case. For Harry, who has a lot at stake, including his public image and significant financial implications, his failure to appear in court in a timely manner, dressed appropriately, is perplexing. While his desire to be present for Lily's birthday is understandable, couldn't he have taken an earlier flight on Sunday or celebrated her big day on Saturday? After all, toddlers don't have a keen sense of diary management. Perhaps the key to understanding this situation lies in Harry's belief that he belongs in a different category. This notion has been a recurring theme throughout his tumultuous relationship with life over the past few years. In January 2020, Harry and Meghan, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, announced their departure from full-time working royal duties in an Instagram post. They planned to carve out a progressive new role, a half-in, half-out model that had never been attempted before. However, it became apparent that their intentions hadn't been fully agreed upon in terms of financial arrangements, security, or specifics. Queen Elizabeth did not share their vision, and the British police had no obligation to provide security for their non-royal activities in North America. Moreover, their financial support from Prince Charles ceased as they were no longer working members of the royal family. Harry's legal battles extend beyond the press, as he also challenges the Home Office's decision to deny him the option to pay for government protection during his visits to the UK. Being a prince or princess doesn't automatically guarantee round-the-clock security. Other non-working members of the royal family, like Princess Anne and Prince Edward and his wife, Sophie, the Countess of Wessex, only receive official protection during specific crown engagements. While the Sussexes' security concerns may be more complex, they seemingly failed to acknowledge that leaving official royal life meant they would be subject to the same standards as other non-working royals. Their behavior suggests a belief in their own different category. Queen Elizabeth rejected their demands, and the judge in the MGN case was unimpressed. Even without Harry physically present in court, his barrister's statement revealed a laughable claim. Sherburne asserted that the rift between Harry and his brother, Prince William, dated back to 2003, when they supposedly disagreed over meeting their late mother's former butler, Paul Burrell. Trust, according to Sherburne, began to erode when their internal feelings were publicly revealed. While it's true that brothers can have disagreements, most don't write a 400-plus page tell-all book that portrays the other as the villain. Most don't repeatedly invade their family's privacy for personal gain or produce a multi-part TV series on their family feuds, referring to their stepmother as dangerous and accusing her of leaving bodies in the street to become queen. Harry, blaming the press for eroding trust within his family after accepting millions of dollars to breach that very trust, is more than a little contradictory. And this is just the beginning. With a judge who is already annoyed, a missing duke, and a jaw-dropping claim, the court case promises more drama. If this is the state of affairs after just one day, Harry may outdo Bertie in the realm of courtroom theatrics, without a single card dealt or undergarment removed. Quite the accomplishment. Thank you for watching the entire video. I hope you found it interesting. Please share your thoughts in the comments section. I am Scandal Royal Family, and I'll see you in the next video.